Gaining a job in the tech industry means being on the leading edge when it comes to your programming skills. By honing your skills, you're providing more value to your employer while developing habits that increase efficiency. But without a non-arbitrary standard to measure your skills against, how do you know if your programming is up to snuff? Keep watching to learn about a few easy ways that you can assess and improve your programming ability. Always be learning. The ability to find and learn from resources to expand your knowledge of coding is crucial. Luckily, there's no shortage of great options. Stack Overflow, for instance, is a website catered to programmers that features a thorough question and answer section. Meanwhile, sites like GitHub, Existing Systems, and Peer Review are ideal for a hands-on approach. Ask questions. Never be afraid to ask questions as they occur, especially if you're new to the industry. Your coworkers and peers may have efficient practices in place that you could adopt or know company standards that you are unaware of. Write clean code. It's important you develop a habit of writing simple code that's easy for everyone to read, especially your coworkers. If you've forgotten what a piece of code is for, making it readable will help you reacquaint yourself with your past work. You can do this by using indentation or line breaks, using consistent naming conventions, or taking advantage of object-oriented programming. In short, stay consistent. Descriptive names. Descriptive names are an important aspect and easily passed over method of making your code more manageable. Creating specific names for variables and methods will make it far easier to read for others. Make sure to leave notes and comments to explain any complicated sections. Plan before writing. Coding without planning may seem more efficient, but you can quickly get stuck at certain points that may require an entire rewrite. By thinking about your task and how you want to solve it, you'll be able to find the most effective solution. You can do this by writing a pseudocode or even drawing a diagram. You may even discover solutions that hadn't occurred to you. Don't overdevelop. If you're in your flow, it's tempting to add features like error handling or extra intelligence. However, it's possible to overdevelop code to the point that it's unmanageable to other programmers. By keeping your code as simple as possible, it's far easier to work with in the future if there are necessary changes or additions that need to be made. Always practice. You can only go so far when you learn from tutorials or modify other pieces of code. By creating something of your own outside of work, you can contribute to your portfolio while honing your skills at the same time. Create programs, build blogs, and most importantly, aim to solve problems. The best code makes life easier. As you can see, applying these tips can greatly improve your knowledge of coding while increasing your efficiency at the same time. The ability to accurately and quickly find solutions to tasks is valuable in the tech industry and shows companies that you're able to grow and adapt along with the company. Check out our blog to find out what hiring managers are looking for or to see how your skills stack up. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.